Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Today we have with us a new product from Realme and it's the Realme Band. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and find out if this fitness tracker is really worth buying. Realme has launched this fitness tracker for Rs 1499 and you can purchase on their website right now. So in the front of the box we have the model name Realme Band and here is a picture of the band. And here at the back we have the features such as the large color display, real-time heart rate monitoring, cable-free charging, app notifications, sport detection and it's IP68 waterproof. The MRP of this band is Rs 2999. Now let's open the box and see the content. So here we have the Realme Band itself on the top and this band is available in black, yellow and green color. We will look at this fitness tracker in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we just have the user manual and it's a detailed manual with all the info about the pairing and the features of this fitness tracker. And yes, there is no charging cable in the box. Now let's look at the fitness tracker closely. Realme Band is the first fitness tracker from the company and is targeting the budget segment. My first impression about this fitness tracker is sort of mixed. The fitness tracker feels pretty lightweight, but I find the quality of the straps just average. The material used for the strap feels cheap and it doesn't feel premium at all to me. In terms of overview, we have the 0.96 inches screen with the resolution of 80 by 160 pixels. It's not a touchscreen and for the navigation, you have this capacitive button at the bottom of the screen. At the back we have the heart rate sensor and there is also a mark here which says USB. And yes, to charge the band, you would need to remove the straps like this. And I must say that it does take some effort to remove the strap from the module. So overall the build quality is not very good and I have seen some products which offer better build quality in similar price bracket. So I'm sort of disappointed with the build quality. Now let's go through the menu and see what are the features we have on this fitness tracker. So here we have the watch face and this is the maximum brightness you get on this fitness tracker. It's really dim and trust me, I have set it to maximum brightness from the app. Anyways, coming back to the menu, you have the watch face and you have few watch faces which you can change through the app. And then we have the step count and upon long pressing the button, you can see few more details. After that we have the heart rate sensor which is not at all accurate as it was showing reading even I was not wearing this fitness tracker. And then you have the sports mode and here you have 3 sport mode available which you can choose from the app out of the available 9. And that's it, there are no other options. I don't know what Realme was thinking but this fitness tracker feels incomplete. There is no option to change settings, alarm, stopwatch, timer, etc. I use lot of smartwatches and according to me, these things are must have in a smart band. So again, really bad user interface and implementation at the software part. Now moving towards the app is Realme Link and it's only available for Android right now. So you cannot use this fitness tracker with iOS yet. Pairing is simple, just follow the instructions on the screen. Now talking about the app is simple and you have the connection status along with the battery percentage here on the home page. And then below it, you have the fitness data which includes step counts, sleep and heart rate data. You can also go through the historical data from here. And then at the bottom you have the workout mode from where you can start your workout sessions. Now talking about the settings, so the first thing which we have is the watch face. And here you have total 5 watch faces. And then you have the settings for incoming call and message notifications, which I was not able to get it work even after trying many times. So yes, there is some issue with the call and message notifications with this smart band. And believe me, I have tried everything to get it working, but it didn't work. Now apart from the notifications, then you have the usual options like drink reminder, settings for heart rate monitoring and so on. And also from this section, you can select the sport mode to display on your smart band. Apart from that, you have the race to wake feature which works good. And for some reason, if you want to rotate the screen, you can do it from here. And finally you have the brightness option and as you can see, we have set the brightness to high but still the brightness is not enough. So to sum it up, Realme Band in terms of design looks good. I find the design trendy and minimalistic, but the build quality is not that great. The strap quality feels cheap and I wasn't feeling comfortable wearing this smart band for long hours. There are a lot of issues with this fitness tracker, such as low brightness, lack of options and features in the smartband itself. I was also not able to get the call or message alerts on this smartband. Forget about the basic things like alarm, stopwatch and timer. You don't even have the basic settings option, and you cannot turn off this smartband. That being said, there are few things which are good, such as the cricket mode, which is first in any smartband. And also, you get decent battery backup with the ease of cable-free charging. But overall, with all these problems and missing features, I would not recommend you to buy the Realme Band right now. And if you're in the market to purchase a fitness tracker, then I highly recommend you to add bit more money and go for the Honor Band 5i or the Mi Band 4, which of course offers lot more features and definitely more value for money. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Realme Band. Let us know if you like it, and also do let us know if you would buy this fitness tracker in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.